I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix to solve it. If you're experiencing a transfer pending on Monzo, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause transactions to hang. Step 2. Refresh the app. Close the Monzo app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the transaction status and may resolve the pending issue. Step 3. Verify transaction details. Double-check the details of the transaction, including the recipient's information and the amount. An error here can cause delays. Step 4. Contact the recipient. Reach out to the person you sent money to. Sometimes, they may need to accept the transfer or there could be an issue on their end. Step 5. Reach out to Monzo support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, sometimes transfers can take a little longer due to bank processing times, so patience is key. I hope this helps you resolve your pending transfer quickly.